All right, Oklahoma, welcome back. 9:13 is your time, and scientists with the Oklahoma Medical Research Foundation making a groundbreaking discovery here. They found links among 3 separate illnesses that typically impact older people. And in studio this morning, we have Dr. Jassim Ahmed with OMRF. Dr. Ahmed, thank you so much for coming on.
Thank you for having me.
All right, so let's start with this first question here. Briefly tell us, what are these 3 illnesses?
Yes, so our study found a surprising connection between 3 illnesses. The first one is called aortic stenosis, which is a major heart valve disease. So heart has many different valves. The major valve is called aortic valve. Normally it opens fully, but if there is a fibrotic tissue or the scar tissue deposit on the valve, that prevents that valve to open fully and gets narrowed. Therefore, the heart has to pump much harder and with a high shear force, and that leads to aortic stenosis. The second is the anemia, which probably everybody knows. It's the loss of or lack of red blood cells in your body. This is present mostly in elderly population, but that can happen to anyone, even in young, due to blood loss and so many other chronic conditions, including somebody has iron deficiency. And then the third disease is called von Willebrand syndrome. That comes from a name of a clotting factor called von Willebrand factor. If that factor gets broken down or get lost, then it cannot do the blood clotting, therefore the patient can tend to bleed.
All right, so I'm kind of seeing a theme here, and I do know that, there's a large number of folks that are over the age of 65 that suffers from either one of those illnesses or all 3, right?
Yes.
So how did you all find the link? What's the link that's tying this all together?
Well, in our lab at OMRF, we study aortic stenosis. So first thing we found in patients with aortic stenosis, we tested their blood samples as well as in a mouse model. That mouse model develops aortic stenosis spontaneously, and we found that when they are fully stenotic, there is a protein called TGF-beta that is highly enriched in blood platelets that is responsible, at least in part, for aortic stenosis development. Okay. So, and then we also found both in patient and in mice, they are also anemic. So we thought, well, that could be linked. So we did an experiment where we created anemia by feeding these mice with low iron diet. And we found that aortic stenosis progression is faster, as well as the protein responsible for bleeding that also gets depleted. So that's what we found, this connections.
Oh, wow. Okay, yeah. So you also discovered a pathway to treatment too. Talk about that.
Yes, so I think our finding provides hope in threefold. First of all, as I mentioned, we discovered 2 proteins. Identifying those proteins as a diagnostic marker can help physicians to manage whether the patient will bleed or whether that patient is going to progress to aortic stenosis. And then the most intriguing thing is we know the anemia could be an underlying cause for aortic stenosis, and it's an easy fix for physician to treat anemia for patient with aortic stenosis.
So if you can get it at that first level, you can stop it from spreading to that aortic stenosis, and then to that second disease, tell me again?
Von Willebrand syndrome or von Willebrand disease.
Okay.
This is a rare disease, but that can be acquired in this situation because of blood flows with a higher force, and that can lead to breakdown of that protein. And then this patient can eventually lead to bleeding.
Very encouraging news from your lab. I mean, this is great for families that have someone or know someone that is suffering from one or, again, all of these illnesses. OMRF with this amazing study and the amazing results coming from it. Thank you so much for coming on and explaining this.
Thank you very much for having me.